guys, in this video I will be showing you how to do heatless waves. It is really easy to do and free of damaging your hair. I will start by brushing my hair, making sure I have no tangles, and sectioning my hair in the middle. Now that I split my hair in equal sections, I will do a really tight braid. This will help define my waves, and I will spray some water to give it some smoothness and texture to my hair.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.